Next, we'll model the cooling fins of the transformer using a nested family. Create a new family and name it Exercise Transformer 1, Fins, Revit 23. In the ref level view, begin by using the extrusion tool to sketch a rectangle based on these two reference planes. Then, using the center end arc tool, draw a curved line that follows the fin shape shown in the reference image. Start by selecting the center point on the reference plane, then pick the appropriate edge and draw the arc. Delete the original edge if needed. If the lines don't connect perfectly, we'll fix that shortly. Use the dimension tool to measure the two halves of the width and click EQ to ensure symmetry. Click on the arc line, go to the Properties panel, and under Graphics, enable Center Mark Visible. This will make the center mark appear, allowing you to measure the distance from the center mark to the edge. Also, add a dimension for the curve's diameter. Then create new parameters for the fin's width, length, and the arc's diameter. Switch to the front view, create new reference planes. Align the top and bottom edges of the fin to the planes and lock them. Measure the fin height and create a new parameter named fin height to control it. Save the nested family, then choose Load into Project and close. Back in the Transformer family, you'll now see the loaded fin family. To control its parameters from the main Transformer family, select the fin, click Edit Type, and next to each parameter value, click the small Associate Family Parameter button, this rectangle over here. Create new parameters that match the ones from the nested family. Once you click OK, an equal symbol will appear next to the value, confirming the association. Now, when you adjust parameters in the family type's dialog, the nested fin family will update accordingly. This is the proper way to create and control a nested family within a host family. It ensures that your components remain editable, flexible, and well integrated within the overall family structure.
Looking for piping catalogs you can trust? At pipingcontent.com, you'll find ready-to-use libraries for AutoCAD Plant 3D, Revit, Smart 3D, E3D, and more. Get instant access to valves, fittings, and components. Click on the link below in description section and explore pipingcontent.com today.